NASA says its Voyager 1 probe, the most distant human-made object in the universe, is sending usable information to Earth again.
It's been over 48 years since Voyager 1 left Earth. Everything was fine until suddenly, out of nowhere, Voyager 1 sent a message back to NASA. But not just any message, a corrupted, bizarre transmission. What could this even mean after all these years? And more importantly, what does this message say? The journey. Before we show you the corrupted message sent by this man-made space probe, you have to understand the actual reason Voyager 1 was launched. It all started on September 5, 1977. That's the day Voyager 1 left Earth, beginning a journey no one expected to last this long. NASA built it as part of the Voyager program, a mission to explore the outer planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and maybe gather some extra data along the way. But here we are 48 years later, and Voyager 1 is still going. Not only is it still active, but it is also the farthest human-made object from Earth, over 15 billion miles away. This means something we built is now floating through interstellar space. But why was Voyager 1 launched? Back in the 70s, scientists realized they had a rare opportunity. The four biggest planets in our solar system, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, were lined up in a way that only happens once every 176 years. This alignment meant a spacecraft could use a gravity assist or planetary slingshot to hop from one planet to another using minimal fuel. So NASA got to work. They built Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, which are two robotic space probes that would take advantage of this alignment. Voyager 2 actually launched first on August 20, 1977, but it had a longer route planned. Voyager 1 was launched a couple of weeks later, and it was set on a faster path, which is why it overtook its twin pretty quickly. Their mission was to study the giant planets, their moons, their rings, and anything else interesting. And that's exactly what they did. At first, NASA only expected a 5-year mission. The goal was to gather data on Jupiter and Saturn, and then, if things went well, maybe keep going. But Voyager 1 exceeded all expectations. In 1979, it reached Jupiter and sent back stunning images of the planet and its Great Red Spot, which is a storm bigger than Earth. It also discovered volcanoes on Io, one of Jupiter's moons. This was something no one even thought was possible. In 1980, it flew by Saturn and captured detailed views of its rings and discovered new moons. It even sent back images of Titan, which is Saturn's largest moon. This led to future missions to explore it. By then it was clear. Voyager 1 was not done. NASA decided to keep it going, sending it toward deep space. For decades, Voyager 1 kept pushing farther. But in 2012, something incredible happened. It left the solar system. Well, kind of. Technically, it crossed the heliopause, which is the boundary where the sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. It is like an invisible bubble around the solar system, created by the sun's solar wind.